What? Oh, oops. Not. It's gonna be 4 and
Yeah,
I.
this is good. This is good. All right. So, hey guys, this is Physics Friday. It's going to be the one day that we talk about work all week, and we're going to try not to mention it the rest of the week at all. So Matt next to me is playing with Root, which we've mentioned before, and it's also the topic of the day. Surprisingly, Matt is not even working on his work like he should be.
I'm trying to make a bad plot to show people.
He's trying to make a example for you guys, and it should be a really simple process, but it is Root. So, what is Root? We program in different languages. It's like speaking German and English and something like Finnish, which is similar but not quite, but not many people speak it. So that would be C++, Python, and Ruby. And so physicists program in one of these three languages, and they use a library called Root. And what Root is it's like a box of tools. So instead of needing to make these new tools, we reach into the box and we say, I want 20 of these. And we can duplicate it several times. So that makes our life a little bit easier when we're doing all these calculations, thousands of times in Matt's case, or millions of times in mine.
Thanks.
One up, yeah. And so what we do is we use these tools to do our physics calculations, and it sounds like paradise, doesn't it? Problem is, they don't always work how they're supposed to. Also, there's no instructions on how to use the things. So it gets very frustrating, and this is why Matt is getting frustrated right next to me and having to look up documentation from not only the website but from several different websites to do what should be the most simplest task in all the program.
Also, they call it Root. Here's the thing, if you Google search Root, you're not going to find the root that we're looking for. It's so hard to find documentation for this thing.
Because you also find things about roots. In programming, usually root is the base directory, which is kind of funny because to run root, you have to have Unix or something, and that's what uses that base directory root. Yeah. So, yeah, it's very frustrating, and this is what we tackle with all the time. The root of all my frustrations. The root of all evil.
Definitely all evil.
So, that's pretty much what it is.